Hi friends, it's Wendy and I am here with my June unboxing order of my Essential Reward, or what's going to soon be called Subscribe to Save, or STS or S2S, depending on how you want to do it. I've heard both and I'm just trying to get used to it so I can remember. So anyway, what I want to show you this month is the items that I got. I have another supplemental order coming in, and I also have my convention products coming in. I have been checking my alerts every few minutes because it's to be delivered today for all of those. So I'm so excited. I just dropped that. Glad I've got long arms. Okay, so first up, you've seen it before, but you know what? I get excited about this because when you take something and it makes a difference and you feel good, and you don't have aches and pains, and you feel like you're at your best health. And I can't believe I'm going to have a son who's 40 in just 2 weeks. And I kind of I hate to even say it, but I feel like I'm not far off from that age, even though I'm quite a few years his senior. But I feel good, and I think the reason is because I have supplemented since 1995 religiously, and I make sure that I take quality products, and those make a difference. Because if you're not feeling a difference with what you're taking, it's not working. If you go off of it and you feel a difference, you know it's working. And that's what happened to me a couple weeks ago. I left the house in a hurry. I had gotten my shake made. I had every intention of taking all my supplements. As a matter of fact, when I got home, they were all still on the counter right where I left them. I just forgot. And so I felt sluggish in the afternoon, and I couldn't understand why, because that's not normal for me. And when I got home and I saw them all sitting there, it was like, aha, they really do work for you. So first up is our master formula, and this is a multivitamin complex, vitamin and mineral complex. And with the master formula, I've written a few notes because I don't want to forget to tell you a few key things. It's a full spectrum complex, so it addresses everything. And it's a vitamin and mineral support. It's going to support your digestive health, and it helps neutralize free radicals in the body and provides gut flora support with prebiotics. And there's just 4 capsules in here. Actually, there is one that is a liquid, and that's your essential oils. And then there are 3 others that are powder complex. Your essential oils make this a more absorbable product and faster acting in the body. I will not go any more days without this because I do know how much I depend on it and how well it works. The box comes with 30 individual packets, and my husband and I each feel that they make a difference. So every month we each get our own box, and we make sure we take it every single morning. That's ingrained now. Don't want to go without it. Next up, Agile Ease. Agile Ease is another product that we take each and every single day. I want to show you what it looks like. I opened this so I didn't have to do that on camera. They are bright, vivid yellow. Guess what gives them that color? Okay, so Agile Ease is 2 a day, and as it is for our flexibility of our joints. That's really important to me, especially because I had an accident where a 14-foot steel pole fell across my head, my neck, my back, and my shoulders, and I was a mess. I was in quite a lot of pain, and I was having headaches and all other issues that you can imagine after having something traumatic like that happen to you. The Agile Ease, again, it promotes joint health by supporting healthy cartilage, joint flexibility and mobility, and the body's healthy response to inflammation following exercise. What's in this is amazing. You've got the frankincense boswellia powder in here, as well as the reason you've got this gorgeous color is from turmeric. And turmeric, we know, has anti-inflammatory responses. It also has piperine, which is from black pepper, collagen, I love collagen, and glucosamine sulfate, hyaluronic acid, another favorite. So while I'm getting all this joint support, I'm also getting support in other areas. And wintergreen, I love the menthol. When I open, the first thing I smell when I open the bottle is the menthol of the wintergreen. It also has copaiba. And if you're not familiar with copaiba, it's an oil that's referred to as a multiplier. Anything you put with it, it will enhance the effect of the oils. So I love that in there. Also clove and black spruce. So these are ones, again, I love it. But when my husband tells me, have you filled the Agile Ease? I ran out. I know that it's doing something because he won't go a day without it. And, you know, guys aren't always that consistent. So I'm really excited that he notices a difference too. So since we both take it, we get 2 bottles of that every month as well. And then Illuminize. Illuminize is going to support our eye health. And another one that's just got gorgeous color. They are a deep purpley red color, kind of like the color of my shirt. Oops, and now we've got some on the floor. We're going to go with the 5-second rule on that. So what is the Illuminize? That's what I was talking about. What's the Illuminize going to do? Well, it's going to help to reduce the eye strain from the damaging blue lights that we all get from these things that we're on 24/7 practically. So device blue light and helps us to maintain vibrant skin. Yes, that's a no-brainer. I'm going to take that every day. All right, now let's talk about the promos that I got for free with my purchase. Every month, Young Living graciously gives us hundreds of dollars worth of free products just for taking the products we would normally take anyway. So bonus. And when I get them on ER, the thing that I love about that is that I have also qualified, because I've been doing an essential reward or subscribe to save for so long, I have achieved the highest point value for my monthly orders, and that's 25%. So every month, in addition to the freebies I get with my purchase, I'm also getting 25 points on the PV that I spend with Young Living. That adds up really quick. And what's so great about that? Who doesn't want free product that you choose? So I can go in and I can select the products that I want with my reward points. And then all I pay for that is shipping. That's like gifts. Who doesn't love gifts? I love it. So the free gifts that are promo pieces with a purchase. First one I'm going to talk about is, whoops, I didn't get it out. AromaSeize. Okay, so AromaSeize is, it calms minor muscle and head tension, and it allows me to wear my heels all day long with comfort. Do you get what I'm saying? Whether they're high or low heels, whether they put strain on your back, I can wear them when I use 2 or 3 drops on the bottoms of my feet. And then I can go all day long into the night, dancing, partying, whatever it is that you like to do in heels. I love heels. I don't want to give up my heels. But sometimes with age, yeah, you don't see us this age wearing heels as often. But now I can. So the things that are in it: basil, marjoram, lavender, peppermint, cypress. These are all oils that are part of our raindrop therapy. And if you've never had a raindrop massage, you are missing out, because the oils do the work. It's so different. It's applied to your back and your feet, and it's a great detox. And when you're all done, you feel like, you're just so relaxed and feel so fabulous. So if you don't know where to get a raindrop in your area, if you happen to be in Sarasota, let me know. I can hook you up. I've got a friend that's been doing raindrop technique for many years, and she's fabulous. So that's AromaSeize. Next one is citronella. I think we all realize what citronella smells like because we have been exposed to it through maybe camping products, outdoor candles, sprays and lotions that are designed to keep us comfortable in our outdoor environment. Well, citronella is the pure oil. You can use this to make your own DIY candles, and you don't have to worry about chemicals and products in it that you don't want. You can use them using beeswax instead of petroleum in your candles. Yeah, yucky stuff is in candles that you buy. So you can make it and have it be pure and wholesome with 100% authentic essential oils from Young Living. And it is great for applying before you go outdoors, especially in the summer months where you might have things you're swatting at and you don't want around you. So don't leave home without citronella in the summer. And if you'd like a outdoor spray recipe, let me know. I've got a great one. Okay, Eucalyptus radiata is another one of the oils that was free. I'm sorry, this one's Globius. I always get that. There's 3 different types. So this one's Globius, and it's got a high percentage of eucalyptal, and it's going to give you a refreshed breathing experience when inhaled, and it's the key ingredient in our Breathe Again roll-on. So I like to use the eucalyptus along my chest because it really does help with easing my breathing at times. It's one that I like in the diffuser because then everybody in the house benefits too. And it's that spa-like scent combines nicely with citrus oils as well if you want to tone down that a little bit. So those are 3 of them. Saved the best for last. Peace and Calming. This oil is in a 15 milliliter bottle. You can't buy it hardly. It's almost always out of stock. So I am so excited to get a 15 milliliter bottle because this one, sometimes I wear it as perfume. I use it when I'm going to do public speaking or when I might be uncomfortable or during times of grief. This helped me tremendously when my mom passed away. And I did the eulogy and people kept saying, I don't know how you did it. I did it because I armed myself with valor and peace and calming so that I could do a tribute that was fitting for somebody that I cared so deeply about, but I could do it with a sense of calm and a sense of peace, knowing that what I was saying was impactful and was a tribute. So Peace and Calming, what you're going to find in this one, it's a sweet blend of blue tansy. That's what gives it its dark, beautiful color. Orange, tangerine, patchouli, and ylang ylang. So you've got citrus blends along with floral notes, and it's just such a beautiful combination. And again, wonderful in the diffuser. Perfect if you've got a car diffuser or a cotton pad that you can put in your air vent for car travel, because everybody is going to be relaxed, and you'll find the back seat is quieter and it's peaceful. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing the items that I got this month. If you've got any questions about getting the free promos or how you can get these items at retail or at wholesale instead of retail, save 24%. And there's no minimums. There's no need to do a business. You can just get the benefits of the very best essential oils on the planet. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again soon.